Smeg ECF01RDUS Espresso Coffee Machine. One size, red. User-friendly control panel with 3 buttons to adjust preferred settings and select single double espresso or the activation of steam function. De-calc system alarm will alert you when a de-calc is required. Single thermoblock system to speed up the switching on and heating of the water. Up to 15 bar professional pressure for the best coffee experience. Mix steam, air, and milk in a small beaker to prepare a thick and rich foam for your cappuccino. The wand can be adjusted in different positions. Removable steel cup tray for easy cleaning and to accommodate taller glasses. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.